For today's ISSA Cleaning Industry Alert, I'm pleased to welcome John Oderf. He's the Director of Government Affairs with ISSA. John, welcome to the program. There's some news coming out about the vaccine mandate, and it's not all good news for, well, it depends which side you're on. Tell us about this emerging news.
Yeah, so yesterday, January 13th, the Supreme Court issued a stay on the vaccination and testing mandate that was issued by OSHA, an emergency temporary standard. So this was the emergency temporary standard affecting larger businesses, those with more than 100 employees. At the same time, they did not issue a stay on the kind of companion litigation regarding healthcare. So this was actually at least upheld for the time being. There was not a stay of relief for that. So basically most healthcare facilities, assuming they take Medicare or Medicaid patients, that vaccine mandate is still in effect. But for all others, larger employees, there is not a federal mandate enforced right now. So it's not that they said, hey, this is gone for good. They didn't actually issue anything on the merits, although they are signaling that they believe it's unconstitutional. They simply said, we're going to kind of tap the brakes. We're going to send it back to the lower courts and start to litigate this. But as the litigation is going on, there will not be, this is not enforceable.
You know, a lot of people have more questions. I think you have something coming up as far as an event that will provide more information. Tell us about that.
Yeah, next week, January 19th, we'll actually be doing a free webinar on kind of all the different things going on from a legislative and regulatory standpoint in DC and across the country. It's kind of our preview of the next Congress and state legislatures. We will obviously get a little bit more in depth on this vaccine mandate and kind of what does that mean moving forward, because there's a couple different paths that could happen. Obviously, the states could still do something. Businesses are still allowed to, have their own mandate. So it's simply saying the federal government can't, for the time being, enforce a mandate on businesses.
Okay, so folks that can attend that webinar, the information's on your screen right now. So I hope everyone can sign up and be there. John, thank you for this today.